Good morning, guys. Welcome to My Future Success. You guys, we're about 14 seconds away right now getting here on the 1 minute time frame. I'm actually going to go ahead and take this over here on a prop firm accounts. Guys, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go ahead and buy market right now. All right, guys, let's get this up here and close it out. If this ends up running for just a few $100s, you guys can keep an eye over here. We want to go for this area right here, which is going to be 317, 3150. 3150 is right at this area here. This is going to close out for about, let's take a look. This is going to be $200 right here on this trade. So if we get anywhere towards this area, this is going to be a spot where I want to close out, and I'll keep you guys posted on this. Let's just see how this goes and plays out here live with you guys. But take a look at this. Gosh, anyone who got into this trade this morning, I'm just looking at this and painting this out. I'm like, you realize this is 140 point profit. 140 points. Like, that's with two contracts, you're looking at $4,800 just with this run alone right here. Like, that is just absolutely ridiculous. End up getting another sell signal right here, coming down and then smashing through the target. This one's coming against us a little bit, but I'll just stay here live with you guys, see exactly what happens. You know, what I'm looking at over here is if anything ends up closing below this profit wave here, I'll look to get out of this. If it comes back up and then goes to our target, I'll just look at closing it. But guys, that's... I couldn't believe it when I actually came on this morning. I was like, whoever is using these metrics literally just had one of the most epic entries right here. You guys, you know, if you're one of those traders that go on like a higher time frame as well too, look at this. This is a 3 minute time frame. I panned out here and I was like, I wonder how good of an entry it was on a 3 minute time frame. I'm like, are you serious? This literally caught this all the way down here. So 3 minute time frame was 240 points. 240. Like, yeah, speechless. I don't know where to even start with that. Like, that is just absolutely insane. You guys, let's head back over here to the 1 minute time frame and let's see how we can manage this trade. And then in a second, I'll show you guys exactly where to grab these metrics. So you can see the success that so many other people are having. Like, honestly, I just had 2 one-on-one trainings yesterday, had an amazing time talking to some individuals and just getting a game plan down for them, you know. These are people that have either been trading for, like, let's say 5 to 7 years, or literally, I had a guy the other day, literally just started brand new, couple days into it, grabbed these metrics, started demo trading first, had made hundreds of dollars, went over to Take Profit Trader, which is actually the prop firm account that I use here that you guys see, and has already passed a $50K $1,000 account within the first week. Just ridiculous. And, you know, I asked him, it's like, how did you do it? Like, how does someone that is new to this actually just pass something like that quick? And he's like, Justin, I just followed the rules. I followed buy and sell signals. I took every single one of them throughout the day. I had good risk management. If I had a loser, I just cut it really quick, but I let my runners run. And when I got to a certain point, I just moved my stop loss to break even and I let it run. And, you know, you guys, that's something that you can do too, is where if you're up, let's say 10 points in a trade, move your stop loss to break even. You know, at that point, you're basically guaranteed to win the trade, right? So if we're guaranteed anything in life, you know, think of this, like you slap down $200 right in front of you on your computer, you know, that's $200. If the market gives you $200, are you going to take it? Yeah, you're going to take it, because it's like, I looked back at my first job that I had and I was like, I was working at Costco and I was like, how much would I have to work for 8 to 9 hours in a day to make $200? Guys, let's keep an eye on this over here. Let's see this. Let's see if I can make a Costco's wage of money right now between $200 to $400 trading here live with you guys. So let's take a look. This is going to be 200 right at this area. If we pop up anything higher than $200, I'm going to go ahead. There we go. 200, 300. I'm going to close it out. $280 right there. Guys, that's live right here with you. $280. This video has literally been doing it for 4 minutes. I now do not have to go back to the first job that I did today because I was able to make $250 or so. Let's take a look. Today, let's go here real quick. So today that was, go. All right, this was actually, it's on the left side over here, $260, $270. So you guys, $270. So that's $270 right there within 5 minutes. This is how, if you can be on this, you know, if you can be patient to wait for trades, you know, wait for the setup. Did you get the massive 100 and almost 200 point win that a lot of people got this morning? No, you know, honestly, guys, I'm in Pacific Standard Time. I can't get up at this time. This is market open. Honestly, I'm going through kind of a little bit of cold right now, so I'm trying to get as much energy as possible and with my family and just moving into a new place. But you guys, if you haven't done so, head over to My Future Success. Guys, this is where so many people are having such just an amazing experience with these metrics. You can gain literally lifetime access to this, never worry about monthly service fees ever, and literally you can see results like this. Guys, this is why I literally like to go on here. I had a comment yesterday I saw on YouTube. It's like, Justin, go back and do a live trade. Guys, there you go. This is it, like right here. I can't make this stuff up. I'll show you guys in a second exactly why I can't make this up, and you'll be like, oh my gosh, this is actually real. Take a look at some of the prop firm accounts. This is just a tip of an iceberg of people that have passed their accounts already. One-on-one trainings, 50% off. Had 2 trainings yesterday. I've had 2 other trainings today, and I'm booked out until about December 20th. But I am going to be opening up some more slots before I go on my Christmas holiday. So, and then I will be gone in Mexico with my wife and my daughter from the 6th to the 13th. We're going to do an all-inclusive resort there. It's the first longer trip that I've taken with my daughter. So, guys, pray for me. Let's hope she sleeps in the plane. But take a look over here at some 5-star ratings and people that have just had an amazing experience. I'll go ahead and update this. End up cresting over a 23. That was really awesome. Great customer service, and these alerts work extremely well. Best ever also works for swing trading. So you guys, if you're a swing trader, you know, what does swing mean instead of day trading? So all right, if you're a day trader, that means you're opening and closing positions within the same day. If you are someone who, like myself, started with options trading, you know, my lifestyle was even crazier than it is right now, if you can even imagine that. And I'm like, okay, I need to do options. So I would actually use a 4-hour time frame with these metrics, look at options, and then swing it for a couple days, and then close out the position and go for 20 to 30%. You know, if you guys want any more information on that, guys, that's what I can go over in the one-on-one. But I want to focus here on futures. So guys, there you go. There it is. So far, 3 for 3 trades this morning. So if you're using these metrics, 1 winning trade here, 1 winning trade there, another winning trade there. 3 for 3, and you guys just saw a live example of $270. So just like that, in and out, less than 5 minutes, we're on with the day. All right, guys, take care. God bless. Have a good one.